So today, what I'm making is puff fingers, but not just any puff fingers, it's puff fingers with a twist. Why I say twist is because with puff, you can add anything to them. So whatever's in your pantry or in your fridge, I want you to add into your puff. So for today, I'm using some spring onion and some sweet corn, like one of my favorites. So you get your pot boiling, and you add in your corn and spring onion, and you add in your parsley, dry parsley, then some garlic. Because I'm making a vegan-inspired dish, I'm going to add a bit of oil. And then I'm going to add in some stock, right? And because my friends in the kitchen love calling me the spice queen, I'm going to dash in some chili flakes in there. Give it a quick whisk. Oh, the garlic. While I wait for this to boil, I'm going to add in some spinach into my puff. Because spinach wilts a lot, I won't cook it through. I still want my green color. So I'll just fold it in right at the end and before I chill my puff. So now my water's boiling. I'm just gonna make a quick slurry just to ensure that when I'm whisking my maize inside my stock here, it doesn't clump up. So now that's done, I'm just gonna whisk it in. There's like a simultaneous thing here, because you want to make sure that all the flavors blend in nicely, and the corn and the herbs and the chili specks also fold in nicely. Continue whisk until it comes together. So we're not looking for, I know that most people will be familiar to putu, and putu is similar to couscous. We're not looking for that consistency here. We're looking for puppy consistency. Stir, stir, stir. So if you come closer, you'll see the lovely colors that I was talking about. I've got the green from the mixed herbs, some from the scallions, and I love the specks of red from the chili flakes, as well as my corn. So with my puff, you can see that now it's nice and puffy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold in my spinach in quickly. Right, so the next step to this, I'm just gonna lightly oil this so that it's easier for me to handle when I'm working with it. Then I'm gonna transfer my puff into my pan over here. Look at that, no lumps. So I'm just gonna spread it quickly here. And the nice thing about this is that you don't have to finish it, like it's quite a big portion, so you don't have to finish it today. But if you have a lot of people coming over, this could be used as an alternative snack, something different. Or you can portion however much you want to portion and freeze some. So the next step here is just to blast chill this quickly for about 10 minutes, and there onwards we'll make the cute little fingers. So I've just grabbed this out of the blast chiller, and so what I'm going to do now is actually cut little fingers, and then we'll deep fry them and then show you what it looks like. Oh, but there's also another secret ingredient that comes with this. I'm serving them with a kick-ass mayo dip. So it has basil pesto and just basil pesto and some mayo. Delicious, I'm telling you. See, even when it cuts nicely through because there are no lumps and it's cooked through properly. I think this is a reasonable bite size. So I'm just gonna line them up here. So I think these should be enough for myself and not for my friends. So my temperature is at 180. So I'm just gonna place my finger keys in here, as Afrikaners would say, keys in everything that they do. And it's just a quick flash fry because they're cooked. Wait for the sizzle. That makes me so happy. And once they're golden brown, you take them out. So it's gonna be a bit crispy on the outside and sweet and juicy in the inside. So while we wait for that to happen, so this is roughly like a cup of mayo and 2 full spoons of basil pesto. I'm gonna give it a nice little stir. See, I'm all about color. I eat with my eyes first, and then my nose, and then I dig in with my mouth. So if it looks nice visually, I'm sure you also want to dig in. And there you go, that delicious golden brown I was talking about, that we're looking for. Just the reason why I have my paper towel here is just to make sure that the excess oil is taken on by the towel. See, it's nice golden brown and the veggies are still visible. And there you go, club fingers with a twist.
Eat it.
I love mayo,
Come on,
so I'm gonna do that.
Open your mouth. There we go. Delicious.
I'm not sharing.
Oh, I want one.